Grammar exercise for beginners number 10. Possessive adjectives, part 1. Number 1. I don't know the time because I can't find watch. So I cannot find my watch. I don't know the time because I can't find my watch. Number 2. What's the boy's name? The boy's name, and his name is Ben Scott. His name is Ben Scott. Debbie has got a cat. And Debbie is a girl or woman, so cat is very lively. Her cat is very lively. Number 4, the dog is very cute. And the name of the dog is Ben, so we can put its. Its name is Ben. Number 5, we are at school. Blank school is very nice. So we are at school is going to be our school. We are at school. Our school is very nice. Number 6, I have a new laptop. I have a new laptop, and it's going to be my laptop is white. I have a new laptop. My laptop is white. Number 7, I'm from Seattle. Most of friends are from Seattle too. I am from, so most of my friends are from Seattle too. Okay, let's read the sentences one more time. I don't know the time because I can't find my watch. What's the boy's name? His name is Ben Scott. Debbie has got a cat. Her cat is very lively. The dog is very cute. Its name is Ben. We are at school. Our school is very nice. I have a new laptop. My laptop is white. I'm from Seattle. Most of my friends are from Seattle too. Number 8, the rabbit is white. And the rabbit, so we can use its. Its cage is in the garden. The rabbit is white. Its cage is in the garden. Number 9, Sandra and Jerry are friends. Blank school is in the city center. So Sandra and Jerry will be they. So their. Their school is in the city center. Number 10, the Millers have a new car. So the Millers is the plural, the Miller family. So they is going to be their. Their car is blue. Number 11, Emma Peel has got a brother. And then the brother is going to be his. His name is Paul. And number 12, Nick Baker has a sister. And name is Debbie. A sister is going to be, her name is Debbie. Number 13, yes, we have a dog. And we have a dog is going to be our dog. Our dog is very old. Number 14, the boys have got a tortoise. And the thing is, its name is Trundle. The boys have got a tortoise. Its name is Trundle. Okay, let's read the sentences one more time. The rabbit is white. Its cage is in the garden. Sandra and Jenny are friends. Their school is in the city center. The Millers have a new car. Their car is blue. Emma Peel has got a brother. His name is Paul. Nick Baker has a sister. Her name is Debbie. Yes, we have a dog. Our dog is very old. The boys have got a tortoise. Its name is Trundle. Number 15. Suddenly the children see an old man. It's grandfather. So the children is going to be they. So it's their. It's their grandfather. Suddenly the children see an old man. It's their grandfather. Number 16. Aunt Mary is sitting at the table. Peter fills blank glass with juice. So Aunt Mary's, so it's going to be her glass. Aunt Mary is sitting at the table. Peter fills her glass with juice. Number 17, we take the guitars and start to play. Blank music is great. So we play the music. So our music. Our music is great. We take the guitars and start to play. Our music is great. Number 18. Captain Clark drives a yellow sports car. And it is Captain Clark is a man. So it is his car. It's his car. Okay, let's read the sentences one more time. Suddenly, the children see an old man. It's their grandfather. Aunt Mary is sitting at the table. Peter fills her glass with juice. We take the guitars and start to play. Our music is great. Captain Clark drives a yellow sports car. It's his car. Number 19. Tom and Robert like fish and chips. It's favorite food. So Tom and Robert, they. So it's going to be their. Tom and Robert like fish and chips. It's their favorite food. Number 20. We cannot come to Saturday. It's father's birthday. So we is going to be our father's birthday. We cannot come on Saturday. It's our father's birthday. Let's read the sentences again. Tom and Robert like fish and chips. It's their favorite food. We cannot come on Saturday. It's our father's birthday.